I came to know about FIITJEE from my friends who had already joined FIITJEE. Also, I knew about the consistent results given by FIITJEE and the advertisements given in newspapers. I joined FIITJEE in May 2010. The consistent results given by FIITJEE and especially the AIA Nitin Jain inspired me to join FIITJEE and not any other institute. Also, I knew the preparation level of my colleagues who were studying with me. I got a scholarship of 65% in the admission test. The class environment of FIITJEE was best for the preparation of JEE, and the competitive students were there to always encourage me to tackle JEE. I believe that the teachers at FIITJEE were best at explaining the concepts and fundamentals. I was overwhelmed by the teaching methodology of teachers, and the teachers always give live example of the questions to explain the fundamentals. All the quizzes, CPPs and face tests were ideally equivalent to JEE level. They provided a lot of practice over all type of questions which can be asked in JEE and helped me very much. Apart from the input from the teachers, the best thing I liked was regular chapter practice problems, quizzes and face tests, which provided a lot of practice and boosted my confidence and enhanced my rank in JEE. Rank analysis, rank potential index and consistent results of face tests and quizzes helped me in enhancing my rank in JEE. I could know where I stand among my competitors. Before joining FIITJEE, my confidence level was very less, but after joining FIITJEE, my confidence level gradually increased and I became able to solve the tricky and difficult problems on my own. This boosted my confidence very well, and I owe my success to FIITJEE for making me successful in JEE with a good rank. AIT has provided an excellent way to judge my preparation level, helped me to improve further. GMPs also provided excellent material for the final revision at the time where there was burden of board exams also. And RTPS were also excellent practice papers. Again, there were concept recapitulation test papers which also helped me in getting a sense of final check of my preparation level. It is wise to focus on the specialized study material provided by FIITJEE because it covers all aspects of the questions and problems which can be asked in JEE and is sufficient to succeed in JEE. I will advise to join one institute and focus there completely. It is so that if you join multiple institutes, then they will not allow you to focus. They can deviate your mind from focusing on the best material by saying words about each other. The right time to join an institute is as early as possible after class 10th. I also suffered for not having joined FIITJEE after class 10th because I joined FIITJEE in class 12th. Also, to check the genuinity of the results shown by the various institutes, you need to talk to the toppers themselves. FIITJEE has a major role in my success. I would rather say a complete role in my success. I would like to thank FIITJEE for having provided me with best teachers and best study material which always encouraged and inspired me for getting a good rank in JEE. Thank you FIITJEE, I have done it.